Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, Greene County, northern Clinton County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Lytle, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Waynesville, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Wilmington, Cedarville, Sabina. In addition, Corwin, Bellbrook, State Route 350 at U.S. Route 22, Cedar Creek State Park, Mount Holly, Harveysburg, Roxana, and Spring Valley are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 31 and 61. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.